Hello everyone, today we shall see class 10 chapter 10 light reflection and refraction. This is introduction video and here we shall discuss about the light, object and types of object. So let me discuss what is light. First let's see what is light. Light is a form of energy which help us to see object. So when this is the non-luminous object and light will come from some other source and then it will strike to the object, this object will reflect the light and it will reach to our eye, and hence we can see that there is an object, right? So what is an object? Question arises that what is an object. Let me discuss about an object. Anything which emit the light is an object. So there are two type of object. What are that? Luminous object and non-luminous object. What is the luminous object? The object which have its own light is called luminous object. Example, you can see sun. Sun has its own light. Then burning candle, deepam, and this tube light, glowing tube light also have its own light. So these are called luminous object. Okay, fine. Another type of the object is called non-luminous object. And what is that? Then object which has not its own light, that is called non-luminous object. Examples are here. You can see moon. Moon has not its own light. Human, ball, pen and many things are there which has not its own light, that is called non-luminous object. And for non-luminous object, how can we see the non-luminous object? Because there is no light is there, then how can we see them? So here we can see them. How? Now try to understand. Suppose this is a book which we have to see and this is a non-luminous object. So there must be a luminous object or there must be a light source, then only we can see the non-luminous object. That's why we can't see any object in dark, because it have not own light, and for seeing them we need light. This light, this bulb has its own light, and this light will fall into the book and that book will reflect the light, and that reflected light will reach to our eye, and hence we can see there is a book. So in presence of a light only we can see the non-luminous objects. So for seeing the non-luminous object we must need extra source, another source which can provide the light, and hence that object can reflect the light and reflected light can reach to our eye, right? Please like and subscribe for more update. Thank you for watching.